Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. An 8085 microprocessor executes STA1234H with starting address location 1FFEH. STA instruction copies the contents of accumulator to the 16-bit address location. While the instruction is fetched and executed, the sequence of values written at the address pins A15 to A8 are okay. What are the sequence of values will be presented A8 to A15 of address lines that we are going to say whenever STA1234 instruction is fetched and executed. First of all, STA instruction. STA implies nothing but store accumulator direct. It always followed by 16-bit address. So this instruction is a 3-byte instruction that copies data from the accumulator into memory location specified by the 16-bit operand. So in this STA1234, 1234 is nothing but address location, and it is a 3-byte instruction, and it has given that one the instruction is going to be starting at the address location of 1FFEH. So we are writing a program, and in that program at memory location of 1FFE, at this memory location the instruction STA was present. STA 1234H, it is present at the address location of 1FFE, and it is a 3-byte instruction. 3-byte instruction is nothing but it takes the address locations, the followed address locations is nothing but 1FFF, and later it is going to be 102000. So to fetch this instruction it requires 3 bytes, and in the memory it will be specified like this. Okay, first in during this portion it will be consisting of opcode, and later this will be consisting of 3 4, and later it will be consisting of 1 2. In memory, let us assume this is going to be the memory, okay, specified by these are the address locations, and it is 1FFE, and this is 1FFF, and this is 2000. So during this one what you are going to get is nothing but here you will get the opcode. Opcode for the STA will be first fetched and later followed by the 16-bit address. So lower byte first and upper byte next. So that implies nothing but this is all used for the fetch operation. FETCH, fetch operation. So to fetch the instruction from the memory at that time it requires 3 bytes of information. So first of all address bus is loaded with 1FFE, and next time the address bus is located with the next one 1FFF, and later it will be loaded with 2000 to completely fetch the instruction from the memory. So out of this one, these two, the first two are going to be treated as A15 to A8, and the last 2 bytes, last 2 decimal hexa number is nothing but A7 to A0. So higher nibble, that is sorry, higher byte A15 to A8, A15 to A8 is loaded with initially for the first time it is 1F, and second cycle 1F, and third cycle is nothing but 20. So the address pins from A15 to A8 are loaded with 1F, 1F and 20 for the fetch operation. Okay, and once it is fetched it can be executed for execution operation, that is while executing this instruction, while executing, after fetching we are going to execute this instruction. While executing this instruction STA1234, address bus is loaded with 1234 memory location. Address bus, address bus is loaded with, address bus is loaded with 1234 memory location, 1234 memory location. So now you are going to get you are going to store the byte from the accumulator, you are going to store it in the memory location 1234. So in 1234 memory location you are going to store some information of 8 bits which is present in the accumulator. So now that address you must specify. So the address is going to be specified by the address bus, and the data is going to be transferred through data bus. So that now address bus is going to be consisting of A15 2. Okay, A0 is nothing but now 1 2 3 4. Out of this one we can say it as A15 to A8, that is nothing but higher byte. Higher byte is nothing but 1 2. So the sequence of address pins present at A15 to A8, initially for the fetch operation it is 1f comma 1f comma 20, and again after this fetching if it is executing at that time the address pins consisting of 12 in the A15 to A8. So the right answer for this question is A. A is the right answer, 1f 1f 20 12. Thank you.